Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Aisha Rashid Khan from Southern Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Today we are going to discuss our Chapter 7, Strategic HRM in Action. By the end of this lecture, students will be understand number 1, explain how HR strategies are formulated in alignment with business strategies. Number 2, analyze the role of HR strategy in different organizational contexts: private, public, retail, utility, and high-tech. Identify the corporate issues addressed through HR strategies such as empowerment, values, and culture. Number 4, understand how integration between HR and business strategy is achieved in practice. Number 5, summarize the key features that characterize strategic HRM in action. Number 6, apply conceptual insights to practical examples and case studies. Let's discuss introduction. Strategic HRM is not just about theory, it is about how organizations actually design and implement HR strategies in line with business goals. In practice, strategic HRM involves number 1, formulating HR strategies linked to business strategy. Number 2, defining the content of HR strategies, example training, leadership, development, recruitment. Number 3, addressing corporate empowerment and values. Number 4, achieving integration between HR and other organizational strategies. This lecture looks at how different organizations, private and public, apply strategic HRM in practice, formulating HR strategies. For example, ABC distribution, food distribution, business strategy, growth consistently through customer development, acquisitions, and reputations for value-added service. Strategy evolved semi-formally through leadership team discussions. HR strategy based on business plan and growth targets, conduct skills audit to forecast management needs. Focus on leadership training, recruitment, and quality safety programs. And HR strategy is actually reactive and proactive. Reactive to business needs, proactive in developing leadership and infrastructure. Demonstrates how HR planning supports growth in competitive industries. For example, there is a scenario: ABC is planning to expand operations into new cities, and the HR role includes training pipelines ability, develop programs to ensure employees have the skills needed to handle new markets. Succession planning, motivation plus opportunity, identify and prepare future leaders, showing career growth, opportunities, boost motivation, and giving them the chance to step up opportunity. Number 3, leadership readiness. By preparing managers in advance, HR ensures smooth branch openings without disruptions, and the result is that well-trained, motivated leaders take charge of new branches. Expansion is successful because HR aligned skills, motivation, commitment, and chance to lead with the company's strategic growth goals. Corporate issues in HRM, and the case is Lomshare concept. Public sector corporate strategy includes focus on community needs and environmental management. Strategy developed through top-down plus bottom-up processes. Policy makers set direction. Employees contribute ideas. HR strategic commitment to empowerment, removing duplications and delays. Personal role shifted responsibility back to managers. Strategy evolved through surveys, open days, and consultations. And the conceptual takeaway: HR in public organization emphasis empowerment, participation, and service quality. Strategic HRM must adapt to political and social expectations, and the practical example is that Council HR, public sector, the HR department empowers line managers to handle day-to-day HR responsibilities, such as recruitment and performance reviews. Impact on AMO. Opportunity, line managers are given the authority and tools to directly influence their teams. Number second, ability. HR provides training to managers can competently manage hiring and appraisal processes. Number third, motivation. Managers feel trusted and valued, while employees see decisions being made fairly and locally. And the result is that HR can focus on strategic talent planning and workforce development instead of routine administration. The organization gains both operational efficiency, faster decisions, and strategic alignment, HR driving long-term talent strategy. Number fourth, achieving integration, and the example is mega stores. Retail giant business strategy include value-based management, maximize stakeholders' values, strategy structured at 3 levels: corporate, product market, local market. And the HR strategy include heavy investment in training and development, emphasis on attracting and retaining top talent as the competitive differentiator. Personnel director aligns HR with strategic platforms, major business initiatives, and the conceptual takeaway include integration is achieved when HR strategy is derived from business platforms and co-created by all directors. HR is not a support function but a strategic partner. And the practical example includes megastores retail sector. And the practice megastore designs customer services, training programs that are directly tied to its strategic goal of delivering consistently high service. Impact on AMO. Ability training equips employees with product knowledge, communication, and problem-solving skills. Motivation include linking training to a clear customer service. Mission gives employees a sense of purpose and pride. Opportunity, employees are encouraged to apply their skills on the shop floor with autonomy to resolve customer issues, and the result is that service consistently improves across branches, customer loyalty grows, strengthening megastores' competitive advantage. HR strategy as a response to industry change, and the case example number 4, Mercia Systems, high-tech engineering firm, include business challenges, defense industry contraction, and shift to competitive tendering. And the response is that new strategy with precision, knowledge, technology, and value for money solution. HR strategy emphasis on team-based structures and flatter hierarchies. And the response, new technology solution HR strategy emphasis on team-based structures and flatter hierarchies. Long-term view of competencies needed, engineering, research and development, manufacturing. Personnel strategy tied to industry best practices through benchmarking. And the conceptual takeaway include HR strategies must evolve in turbulent industries where technology and government policy change rapidly. And the best practice includes benchmarking is a tool for keeping HR competitive. And the practical example includes engineers in shop floor teams. A manufacturing firm integrates engineering directly into shop floor teams to link research and development with production. Impact on AMO. Ability includes engineers bring advanced technical expertise into daily production processes. Number 2, motivation, collaboration with frontline workers build ownership and pride in problem solving. Opportunity, teams are empowered to test ideas quickly and implement improvements on the spot. And the result is that faster innovation cycles, reduce delays between design and production, continuous improvement, culture leading to efficiency and competitive advantage. Embedding values into HR strategy, and the example number case 5, Valiant Water Utility Company. Business strategy and the vision is that deliver customer demanded service at acceptable charges. Strategy is created through top-down guidelines plus bottom-up planning. HR strategy includes strong focus on values, employee satisfaction as a critical success factor. HR strategy evolved organically from shared values and commitment. Heavy use of employee surveys, feedback, and team-based planning. In monopolistic or public service organization, HR strategy is less about competition and more about values, satisfaction, and trust. And the practical example include employee engagement surveys. And the practice includes HR regularly conduct employee engagement surveys and use the feedback to design empowerment initiatives. For example, decision making, authority, flexible work practices, and recognition programs. And the impact on AMO ability, feedback highlights training gaps leading to targeted skills development, motivation, employees feel valued when their voice shape policy, boosting trust and commitment. Opportunity empowerment initiatives provide employees the chance to apply skills and take ownership. And the result is that higher employee satisfaction and retention, increased discretionary efforts, employees going the extra mile, stronger alignment between workforce needs and organizational goals. Summary includes features of strategic HRM in action. From all cases, we can identify key characteristics of strategic HRM in practice. Number 1, integration with business strategy. HR strategy always align with organizational goals. Number 2, flexibility. HR strategies evolve continuously in response to growth, competition, or policy change. 3rd, participation. Employees, managers, and boards are all involved in shaping HR approaches. And number 4th, values driven. Many strategies are grounded in cultural values, empowerment, and respect for people. Number 5th, focus on people as differentiators, talent, skills, leadership, and engagement are seen as central to success. And the concluding note includes strategic HRM in action demonstrate that HR is not an isolated function. It is a core driver of organizational performance. Whether in retail, utilities, local government, or engineering, HR strategy shapes how business grow, adapt, and sustain success. For practitioners, the key lesson is HR must speak the language of business while keeping people at the center of strategy. Thank you.